The corruption trial of former Alderman Ed Burke is underway now, with opening arguments heard today in federal court. WGN's Dana Rebick was there and tells us what prosecutors and defense attorneys laid out for the jury. Dana?
Well, a jury of 9 women and 3 men will decide the fate of Ed Burke, the city's longest standing alderman, who is charged with 14 counts of extortion, bribery, and racketeering. He's accused of using his public office for personal gain. In opening statements, U.S. Assistant Attorney Tim Chapman said during this trial, jurors will go behind office doors, seeing and hearing how former Alderman Ed Burke offered to sell his official position with the city of Chicago in exchange for law firm business. Through 2 years of wiretap phone calls and videos, the FBI attained by using former Alderman Danny Solis as an informant. Solis earning the nickname the Undercover Alderman and the Council Mole.
In this case, you're going to hear the prosecution speak a lot in their opening statement about the power of the tapes. Essentially, you don't have to take our word for it, ladies and gentlemen. You'll be able to hear it right from the defendant himself. That is amongst the most powerful testimony and evidence anybody can take.
The alleged schemes involved a Burger King, a Binny's, the Old Main Post Office, and the Field Museum. Chapman told the jury that over 6 weeks they would hear in Burke's own words how he allegedly withheld permits from businesses until they paid his private law firm. In the case of the old post office, the prosecution says Burke became fixated on earning the developer's business, engaging in ongoing solicitation of bribes in exchange for getting building permits through city council as the powerful head of the city's finance committee. Burke allegedly telling Alderman Solis in 2017, quote, "If we're not signed up, I'm not going to do any lifting for this guy," and that the cash register has not rung yet. Later saying, "I've never heard anything from these people. I'm not motivated." And did we land the tuna? After the developer still hadn't hired Burke, the U.S. attorney says he then told Solis, quote, "As far as I'm concerned, they can go F themselves, and good luck getting it on the agenda." When referencing a TIF financing ordinance the developer wanted passed through council. In his opening statement, defense attorney Chris Gare says Burke was a hardworking alderman and public servant of the city for 54 years, who never asked for money or legal business from anyone, rather helped people cut through the bureaucracy at City Hall, calling the allegations a, quote, "whole pack of lies," accusing Solis of working with the feds to keep himself out of prison. Burke is on trial with 2 co-defendants, Peter Andrews, a former aide in his aldermanic office, and Charles Quay, a developer. All have pleaded not guilty. Live in Lincoln Park tonight, Dana Rebick, WGN News.
Thank you, Dana.